Hello, welcome back, it's Louise. I'm just doing a flip through of this little December / winter journal that I've made. It would be ideal for December dailies. It's one of the tall skinny ones. 11 by, I think it's 4.5 maybe. It's got one signature. It's just one of the document styles. And it's got a little dangle. And there's a lot of snowmen and in it. We have these ones. Got plenty of writing space. And another one there, and this opens up to write on the front and the back. And obviously everything could be moved around however you want. A full page for writing. I've left that. You can write on a piece of paper and then stick it on, or cover the whole thing, whatever you want to do, or put stickers on it or whatever. And that's the other side. Another page for journaling. Another one there, and an extra tag. More space. And a large tag with space on the back. Keep that in. And on this side you could write on that or put stickers or whatever you want. And these are plain, you can decorate them however you like, but it's just snow. And more space on the back. Some lines. This is some recycled tissue paper that I eco-dyed. I mean, you could put more paper on top of that, or possibly write on it, or stick on your writing, whichever. There's more space there to do whatever you want. Another big tag. Writing on the back. More space. That's some eco-dyed paper. Front and back there. Some other little papers. Just to give you space for writing. Some space there. Lots of space. Some more space. And some tags and cards. It's all about writing in this journal. A little pocket with a tag. Little flip one, space there. More space for writing. And that's the middle. We've got a belly band here with a nice little card in it. And that's a kind of flip one as well. Space on the back. More writing room there. Another gorgeous card. Plenty of room. Writing here and there. Another eco-dyed paper. It's a side pocket with some coffee dyed paper. Another side pocket with a little tag or journaling card. It's another big tag inside. More space. That's the other side of that tissue paper and lined paper. Space there, a gorgeous little picture. And that moves. So you could have some hidden writing space underneath if you wanted. Some there as well. More writing room. And some bits here and there that you could write on, or add stickers. Or this is tracing paper that's been painted and splashed and dyed. Some spots there, and that. And at the back you've got upside down 2 cards for writing. And that's your back, and that's it. There's about roughly 41 pages for writing on, and there's all those tags and journaling cards, so you can do lots of writing and sticking stickers and whatever it is you want to do. So thanks for popping in, and I will see you soon. Bye.